Dear students, welcome back to the next video. Case study question 2020. So this question, usually they'll ask for case study, or sometimes they'll ask this question for 10 marks question. This is also what exchange with what forward exchange. So same last problem what we did, the same thing. So with a little adjustment. That's it. Now we'll discuss about this problem. So now see this question. Global Limited, an Indian company. So it's an Indian company will need 5 lakh dollars in 90 days. So they want 5 lakh dollars. They'll repay in 90 days. The following information is given. Spot rate is for $1 it is 69.50. And for 90 days, the forward rate of $1 as of today, that is 71.50. So it's one after 90 days. Now interest rate are as follows. So 90 days deposit rate. So if you deposit money in USA, it is 1.25%. If you deposit in India, that is 2%. If you deposit 90 days borrowing rate, now not deposit, 90 days borrowing rate in USA it is 2%, in India is 3%. Now compare the strategies of money market hedge and versus forward hedging and compute the net advantage present calculation of two decimal places. Now see, now first we will do money market hedging. So money market means, see this statement, principal which global company need to invested in USA so that became 5 lakh rupees. It means in order to become this 5 lakh rupees, how much Indian company want to invest in USA for 90 days? Now they are investing. Investing means depositing. See this one. Now Indian people is depositing in USA, it means 1.25%. Now see the statement, x into 1 plus rate of interest. X means we have to find out this. X plus 1.25% is equal to 5 lakh. It means 5 lakh rupees. For 5 lakh rupees money, for 5 lakh rupees, how much we have to borrow in India? So x into 1.0.125 is equal to 5 lakhs. So x is equal to, substitute this 5 lakh divided by 1.0125, that is 4,93,827.16. They have to invest in USA. If they will invest this much, they will get 5 lakh dollars. This is the one thing. Now second thing, now this 4,93,827, they have to, means the global company, if invest there, they will get 5 lakh. But in order to get this money, what will be the money they has to arrange in India? So if they borrow in India, in current spot rate, that is $69.5. 69.5, $1 is equal to 69.5 rupees. So now very simple. Now we are converting this money into spot rate. So 4,93,827.16 into current spot rate is 69.50. So spot rate is this one. Spot rate for $1. So now 3,43,000, sorry, not 3 lakh, sorry, 3 crores 43 lakh 20,987.65 rupees they have to borrow in India. If they borrow this money and if they converted, if they have deposited this money into USA, then they will get 5 lakh. So this is one situation. Now for this 3,43,000, they have to pay interest no for 90 days. So the calculation is here. 3 crore 43 lakh 20,987.65 into, see the percent here, borrowing rate. In India, they want to borrow, no, that's why 3%. So 3 divided by 100 into for 90 days. 90 days means 3 months. 3 by 12. So that is 3 crore 43 lakh 20,987.65 into, if you substitute, that is 1.03. Then they're supposed to pay 3 crore 53 lakh 50,670.28. This is called money market hedging. Money market hedging means just we are seeing what hedging means, transferring the risk. So this is what they has to pay to India. Now we will see about next forward hedging. So in forward hedging, what will happen? See the forward rate. They're given for 90 days. Forward rate is 71.50. I hope you're understanding this problem. Now see forward rate was 71.5. Now amount need to be paid for forward hedging, that is 71.5 rupees. So it's for $5 lakh. Sorry, it's for, yes. So 71.5 into 5 lakh. So that is 3 crore 57 lakh 50,000. So this is what forward market rate. Now see that in this case, since the cost of money market hedging is less than the forward market hedging, so money market hedging is ideal. See, in money market, it's just 3 crore 53 lakh. 3 crore 53 lakh 50,617.28. But if you go for forward rate, it is 3 crore 57 lakh. So the ideal is, so very simple. Ideal is investing the money in the USA. So borrowing money in India by paying the loan interest, and that money is invested in the USA in order to get 5 lakh rupees. So now money market hedging is the ideal situation. This is for case study. I hope you understood. See you. Bye.